Witr prayer is a unique and highly recommended prayer performed at night, often after the Isha prayer or with the night prayer tahajjud. Its name, Witr, means odd, reflecting its structure of being offered in an odd number of rakas such as 1, 3, 5 or more. There are several valid methods to perform Witr, each with its own rules and traditions. In this video, we'll explore 4 common ways to offer Witr, including how to pray it in congregation during Ramadan and what to do if you miss it. Whether you are new to this prayer or looking to deepen your understanding, this guide will help clarify the steps and options available, making your nightly worship more meaningful and in line with the sunnah. The first method of offering Witr is to pray 3 or more rakas connected together, without sitting for tashahhud between the rakas except in the final one. This means you do not sit after the second rakah, but only in the last rakah where you recite the tashahhud before finishing the prayer. The second method is to pray 2 rakas, conclude them with taslim, and then offer 1 separate rakah to complete the Witr. If you wish to pray more than 3, you continue offering pairs of 2 rakas with taslim, then add a single rakah at the end to keep the total odd. This second method is closer to the sunnah as it clearly separates the sunnah rakas from the Witr. The third method is the simplest, offering just 1 rakah of Witr prayer. This is permitted by the majority of scholars and is especially useful if you're short on time. The fourth method applies during Ramadan, when Witr is often prayed in congregation after Taraweeh. If you wish to delay your Witr until later in the night for tahajjud, you can add an extra rakah after the congregation finishes, making your prayer even. Then you can pray your own Witr later. This means you should not conclude Witr with the imam, but instead stand up and add a rakah before finishing. This flexibility allows you to participate in the congregation while still following your personal worship routine. However, if you offer Witr in congregation, you must not offer Witr again, but can do extra night prayer without repeating the Witr. If you happen to miss the Witr prayer during the night, there is still a way to make it up. The recommended approach is to offer it as an even-numbered prayer during the day. For example, if you usually pray 1 rakah for Witr, you would add an extra rakah and pray 2 instead. This ensures that you maintain the spirit of the Witr prayer, even if it is performed outside its usual time. Remember, the flexibility in these methods is meant to make nightly worship accessible and consistent, regardless of your circumstances. By understanding these options, you can confidently offer Witr in a correct way.